Guys, are you looking for a passive income during your studies abroad in Canada? Today I will discuss 6 passive income ideas that will help you to earn some extra money. 1. Renting out a room. This is the most common way for you to generate income abroad as a foreign student. It is also the safest way to do so, if you let property management companies do most of the work on your behalf. This means you will have to pay them for maintenance and interacting with tenants, but you should turn a profit from renting out a room. You're going to need a social security number in this case though. Without one, you may face different tax implications, which can cost you more money. 2. Investing. And investing in stocks is another legal way for you to generate income. This is legal as long as you make no more than 4 trades in a week. You can also invest in different businesses to turn a profit. This remains legal as long as you participate strictly passively in the business functions. You cannot work in the business you have invested in for any reason. 3. Dog walking or babysitting. Another easy method to expand your bank account would be to babysit or dog walk. You'd have to juggle your study schedule around, but it's something that could rake in loads of extra cash for little effort. There are several ways to beat around the bush as you begin your life as a young, independent adult in university abroad. On the other hand, if you keep your eyes open and ears peeled on the many money-making opportunities, you can easily find options for some profitable side hustle. 4. Create an e-commerce store. Shopping online has never been more popular or lucrative. Start your own online store when you sell products made by you or others. Some of the things you can sell online include clothing, art, handcrafted jewelry, online courses, footwear, books, consumer electronics, athleisure, home decor, healthcare supplies, baby products and many fashion accessories. If you are able to establish your store, it can generate passive income whether you are awake or asleep. One platform you can use to set up your e-commerce store is Shopify. Shopify provides the platform as a one-stop shop for non-techie people to start their own online store. 5. Find freelance jobs. Freelancing is a great option if you enjoy working on multiple projects. You can pretty much freelance any skill: writing, photography, graphic design, handy person, developer, and never need to commit to any single project for too long of a period. Freelancing is a proven way to make some extra cash. If your goal is to make a living as a freelancer, however, you will need to secure several gigs at the same time. One contract rarely pays enough to cover the cost of living. This means you'll need to develop some kind of system for finding leads, learn how to craft cold pitches, and understanding where there are opportunities for work outside of regular channels. There are some solid platforms to find jobs for freelancers: Upwork, Skyward, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, 99 Designs, Freelancer.com. 6. Start a YouTube channel. All the ways to make money online, this is probably the boldest. You cannot be camera shy, you will need to have some technical know-how, and you absolutely must be consistent. That said, some YouTubers make serious income. And you do not need to be the most charismatic personality to get there. Before you go out and buy a fancy camera and lighting, take a step back. The most important step in starting a YouTube channel is figuring out why. Not why you want to try YouTube, but why should anyone watch what you are producing? This is one of the top reasons for the success of any YouTuber, along with what your videos will be about and who will they be made for. The reason it becomes important to determine why anyone would watch you is simple: YouTube is a highly saturated platform. Even if you think your videos are niche, there are likely thousands of videos already available on that topic. For that reason, you must start with a differentiator. Generating enough passive income so that work becomes optional is a dream held by many. Try out these passive income ideas and get started with living the life of your dreams. Thank you.